In this video, I will show you how to turn off direct messages on Instagram. So first of all, you have to open up the Instagram application. Now on your Instagram application's main interface, what you have to do is that you very simply have to tap on the profile icon that is present at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now on your profile, you very simply have to tap on the three horizontal lines that are present at the top right corner of your screen. Now on your settings and activity, you have to tap on the option that says notifications. It will be an option that contains a bell icon with it. Now on your notifications, you will see an option that says messages. So you very simply have to tap on that. Now on your messages, as you can see, all of these options are enabled. So you very simply have to turn all of them off and you will be able to easily turn off direct messages on Instagram. So everyone, that's how you can turn off direct messages on Instagram application. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.